This sound is pronounced and it is found in most words with the letters TH, such as thought, think, cloth, myth, oath, arithmetic. However, there is a word with the letters TH, but it has the sound T. And this is the word. This is pronounced time, not fine. This is pronounced time, not fine. This sound is pronounced the, and it is found in most words with the letters THE and THA. Examples, you have the, these, that, then, clothe. Now, the previous sound, we pronounce this as cloth, but this sound, you pronounce this word as clothe. You can see the difference. This word is without the letter E, so cloth. But this one has the letter E and it makes it sound as if you're pronouncing the letter D, clothe.